7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Legend TV. Guys, I'll bring you the latest cryptocurrency news and chart analysis. Guys, in today's video, we'll be taking a look at the general crypto market. We'll be talking about what we're expecting in the coming weeks for Bitcoin. Bitcoin actually had a mad pump ending last week. Ethereum and the whole altcoin market actually followed Bitcoin. I'll be showing you what I expect from them in the coming weeks. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. And if you want to follow me on all social media platforms, it's Mr. Legend Crypto on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Let's get down to business. So kicking off today's video, guys, we're talking about the crypto market. You can see that on the weekly, we actually have a green market. That means the last 1 week, most of the coins in the market have performed well. Now, if we check on the daily, they are not really performing well today, but we still have some coins that are making some correct pumps today. But on the weekly, we have a lot of coins that are actually performing well. Now, the next thing we'll be looking forward to is erasing all the losses we made on the monthly. January has actually been a really hard month for crypto. We actually had falling prices for a very long time. Remember, we have been in this dip since November 9th when Bitcoin actually peaked, and Bitcoin has just been in a steady decline, taking the whole crypto market with it. But right now we are seeing signs of a reversal. Bitcoin currently pumped to almost $42,000. It actually just had a mad pump from $37,000 straight to $41,000 on Friday and shocked everybody. Nobody was expecting that pump. Apparently, a lot of people are even expecting lower prices. And if there's anything we've talked about on this channel, guys, is that when the sentiments get very bearish, that is when you should get very bullish. And right now, Bitcoin is at a very critical state. I'll be showing you the different scenarios of what I'm expecting from Bitcoin in the coming week. Let's take a look at the crypto market. Let's take a look at the general crypto market. Bitcoin is currently trading at $41,500. Ethereum is back above $3,000. It's actually hugging $3,000. ADA is back above $1. Solana is back above $100, and XRP is currently trading for less than 67 cents. Now, the total crypto market is at $1.9 trillion. Remember, guys, when Bitcoin actually crashed on the 9th of November 2021, the total crypto market was way over $3 trillion. We actually got as low as $1.47 trillion, but now we have recovered. The key points we'll be trying to cross, or the key points we'll be looking out for in the coming week for the total crypto market, is that $2 trillion mark. That has been an important line in the sand. If you can get above $2 trillion, the market will go all bullish again. Or I think the market's in disbelief, but I think we'll really get bullish if we can go above $2 trillion, and we're just a couple of $100 billion from it. If we can add $100 billion to the total market cap, we'll be well above $2 trillion. Right now, let's talk about Bitcoin for a little while. We're talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, the crypto market cap. I'll be showing you what I'm expecting in the coming weeks. Guys, this is a very big week for Bitcoin. I may be wondering why this week. We have actually been crashing since the 9th of November after Bitcoin topped. We have been crashing, and right now you can see right here using the Fibonacci extension tool from the top of the crash to the bottom of the crash. You can see that we're in the 0.236 area of the Fib extension tool, so we're in just between flipping from very bearish to okay, maybe recovery is possible. Now, what I'm expecting for Bitcoin in the coming week, I'm actually expecting for Bitcoin to continue higher prices to fake people out. Now, many people are not believing that Bitcoin will actually increase this coming week. Well, I'm expecting that Bitcoin will actually increase and surprise everybody. Now, why do you think I'm sure Bitcoin will surprise everybody? Guys, this is the Super Bowl weekend. Now, AFCON finals are going to happen on Sunday today. Binance have been supporting the whole tournament. The Super Bowl is actually just 1 week away. FTX and Crypto.com are trying to onboard new retail investors into crypto space. That's 3 big exchanges making adverts. There are rumors of other companies trying to get Super Bowl slots, but these 3 big companies are trying to onboard people on crypto. The last thing they want to do is to onboard new customers into a bearish environment. You want to get new customers where everything looks bullish, everything looks okay. This is kind of easy because nobody wants to buy an asset that in the last 3 months many people have lost 50%, 60%, 70% of their money. But the story will be really nice to tell if you tell them, oh, in the last 1 week people have gained 20%, 30%, 40%. Sounds kind of right, So the whole pump that happened on Friday was expected. I was actually not even expecting the pump till maybe Wednesday, Thursday, entering the Super Bowl weekend, but it just happened that the pump started this Friday, and I'm sure many people are in disbelief. Many people expect the prices to go lower. I expect the prices to go lower, so don't get me wrong, guys. I expect at some point in time we're going to come back to this 32k, 33k region. But for now, I just expect us. I don't know. I have a weird feeling we're going to try to fake people out. All people that say, "Oh, we can't pump," then this will be the real place where we'll have issues. This 46,000 region is where we'll probably be like, you know what, let's go back for a small, to come back to test the bottom. We'll come back and have a little crash to scare people out. That's the first people that enter will get scared. When we come to this 32k region, people get really scared again, boom, and then we'll fire up to 60k region. It kind of sounds like Bitcoin's normal 702 retracement to me. To first go on a first, woo, I'm scaring people. We might actually even pass 46k, guys. We can actually get as close to 50k as possible. We can get to 50k because that 50k region actually does something to people's brain. Once they hear Bitcoin's at 50,000, their brain goes, "Oh my God, it's 100% to 100k," and that 100k region is a magical region for people. So we can actually pump right now from 41k to 50k, guys. For us, pump from 41k to 50k is not actually that hard. We just need a 23% pump. We can actually do this 23% in the span of 1 week. We just need to have one bullish week. And remember, the sentiment is very, 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 very fearful in the market. But if we can have 1 week of pump, people easily forget. If we can have 1 week of pump, the whole market will get bullish again. Then we might actually have 2 weeks of consolidation before we go for the final pump to the alt season. Now, Ethereum is showing us the same thing. Remember, Bitcoin is the leader in the market. If Bitcoin is actually going on a crazy run, guys, guess what? Every other coin on the market is going on a crazy run. And guys, I believe Ethereum were in this region in time. Guys, you can see that when Ethereum bottom came in on July 26, 2021, we still had 1 more month of up and down movement before we finally pump. Ethereum increased by 39% before it actually lost some percentage value. Ethereum actually now lost 27% before we now went for the final pump. I'm expecting that same thing to happen right now. Ethereum is already up 37% from its lows. Many people didn't expect Ethereum to get this high. Ethereum is already up 37% from its lows. So we have one of two options. Either Ethereum will continue to get so many people bullish to almost 3,800 region, where people will get so bullish and think the bull run is back, or Ethereum is going to do what it did here from July 7 to July 21, and it's just going to actually dump back 27% to the lows, back to 2,200. That's if Ethereum is dumping, guess what? Bitcoin is dumping, and Bitcoin is dumping, Ethereum is dumping. The whole crypto market actually moves together. It's just that they move at different pace. So Bitcoin can be pumping, Ethereum can be pumping, and your altcoins will be going crazy. But if Bitcoin and Ethereum start actually dumping, your favorite altcoins will dump. So I believe that Bitcoin's on top has coming. I believe Ethereum top has coming. A lot of people believe Bitcoin is going to go to 72,000, and that the reason why this retracement is getting very, very long is because we are going to go to 72,000, and that's fine. We can actually go to 72,000, guys. But I believe that the whole Bitcoin bull run is over. I've showed you guys multiple times that I believe the Bitcoin bull run is over. What we are doing right now is the Bitcoin retracement, and if you can see, the last time the retracement came in this region in mid, last time we had the Bitcoin retracement, 702 retracement, you can see that the bounce from the low was very violent. It went up very quickly. Bitcoin got to 47,000, and boom, in the space of 2 days we had a 16% increase. And I can see us almost doing the same thing at this point in time for going for the retracement. What would be funny is if Bitcoin actually gets to that 50k, 60k region and Bitcoin just stalls like this. If Bitcoin gets to this 50k region and start stalling and trying to go to 60k, and the altcoin market is now going crazy at that point in time, I'll be expecting Ethereum to have the same phenomenon. And guys, the total crypto market, the important line for us to be watching in the coming weeks is that 2 trillion market cap line. If we can actually pass 2 trillion in the coming weeks, then we might flip bullish. That 2 trillion has been a line in the sand. Anytime we pass 2 trillion, the market gets very bullish. Anytime we are below 2 trillion, the market gets very bearish. And we have been flirting with 2 trillion for a while right now. You can see that when we broke 2 trillion, the market came down, went back to retest 2 trillion, saw that I couldn't hold it, and we'll find our final crash. So I expect this 2 trillion to be a line in the sand where the total crypto market will find it hard to pass. But once we pass it, the bulls will come out again. Everybody will be shouting to the moon. Now, the altcoin market is another important thing. I'm expecting to see higher prices. Let's not forget, the altcoin market is largely dominated by Ethereum. Altcoin market is currently at over $1.1 trillion, and Ethereum alone has over 300 billion of this altcoin market cap. I'm expecting to see a higher price in the altcoin market cap. You can see that every time before we have a major crash, the altcoin market cap either sets a new all-time high or it goes to the former all-time high. In May, before we had the mad crash into the summer, the altcoin market cap set a new all-time high. That means all the coins actually pumped. In September, when we got the El Salvador Day, the altcoin market cap went back to its previous all-time high. And in November, when Bitcoin actually crashed, the altcoin market cap set a new all-time high. So for this cycle to end, guys, I expect the altcoin market cap to set a new all-time high. But I don't expect Bitcoin to set a new all-time high. I don't expect Ethereum to set a new all-time high, but I expect the altcoin market cap to set a new all-time high. Now, from the Bitcoin market cap price point, the market cap price we're looking for Bitcoin that will be very, very influential in deciding the future of Bitcoin. If you can pass this $850 billion market cap side, if you can pass this side, the next part we should be looking for is that $1 trillion market cap, because at 1 trillion it sounds so good. Bitcoin is a $1 trillion market cap asset class, Bitcoin to the moon, all those kind of narratives that will help push Bitcoin to the moon. And guys, what do you think about the Super Bowl ads? Do you think as if it will influence the price of all of crypto? FTX, Crypto.com are going to be shooting their ads. Binance sponsoring the AFCON final today. Do you think that that's why the whole crypto market is getting bullish? Because we're trying to onboard new people and you want them to see green prices when they are getting into the market for them to feel very bullish. Now, the Ethereum market cap, guys, what the line we should be looking at, the line in the sign which we're looking at for the Ethereum market cap is that $400 billion market cap. That will be crucial for Ethereum to actually pass that level. And the altcoin market cap minus Ethereum, this is a wonderful chart because all the altcoins minus Ethereum tells a different story than the altcoin plus Ethereum. Remember, Ethereum takes a large chunk of the altcoin market cap. Now, I took out Ethereum's market cap from that chart and it shows us that the rest of the altcoin market is currently valued at $750 billion. We'll see whether it can pass that $850 billion. That have been the line in the sand for it. If it can actually pass that $850 billion, we might be going to the moon. And I'm expecting higher prices in this altcoin market cap minus Ethereum, because I believe Ethereum has actually topped. Now, all the laggards in the market are contained in this altcoin market cap minus Ethereum, and I believe those coins are going to pump. And if those coins are going to pump, their all-time high right now is currently at $1 trillion. I'm expecting them to go above $1 trillion. They might actually get to $2 trillion. Watching out for that. And the last chart we'll be checking right here, guys, before we go, is the Bitcoin Ethereum dominance. The Bitcoin Ethereum dominance is actually falling, and anytime, guys, we actually see this chart actually going in the downward direction, it's the time Altseason will happen. I'm talking about Altseason. Altseason is when all the other altcoins will start outperforming Bitcoin. At this point in time, I expect them to start outperforming. At this point in time, I expect them to start outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can see that anytime, you can see, guys, that anytime Bitcoin and Ethereum start losing market share is the time Altseason start happening. And I'm expecting another Altseason to happen very soon. We had one last year before the whole market crashed, where all your coins and everything was up only, all the meme coins were pumping. So we'll have the same phenomenon right here where the altcoin market cap will go on a crazy run. That means Bitcoin and Ethereum, if they have to lose another market share, I believe Bitcoin and Ethereum will be owning less than 50% of the market. Right now, Bitcoin and Ethereum is currently controlling more than 60% of the market share. At the end of Altseason, I'm expecting Bitcoin and Ethereum to be controlling less than that, because all the other altcoins will go to the moon. That means they'll set new all-time highs. And Bitcoin and Ethereum will not be setting new all-time highs. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop new content. See you guys next time. Bye.